Hello class. I really enjoyed the video regarding differentiated learning through the use of learning menus so that students learn how to write, think, and speak globally in the 21st century classroom. The teacher in the video actually uses learning menus set up as appetizers for learning the material in a basic sense or getting a taste for the material, the entree in which they delve deeper into the material and must quiz to get out of it to the next level, which is the dessert, in which they do a basic overview of the material that they have learned. The appetizer is basically an introduction, and it's done in groups at the children's own pace so that they do not feel rushed. The entree gives the students a deeper understanding, and once they quiz out of it, they can go to the dessert, which is the overview. But until they take the quiz, they cannot leave the entree section until they pass the quiz to move on to the dessert section. The graphic organizer is one of the main features of organizing students in a differentiated form. In the graphic organizer, they are allowed to paraphrase the main ideas, and they are able to put the main ideas that they have learned into their own words. They can create a website which looks exactly like a website that is really on the internet, which students are very accustomed to using and seeing on a daily basis. And they can also do a travel brochure. In the example video that we watched for our assignment this evening, the travel brochures were based on African countries where the students were asked to make a persuasive argument as to why people should visit these particular countries. Students feel very good about having choices during these differentiated learning activities. They have options, they do not feel rushed, they can work at their own pace, and they are able to connect with the material. They do not feel like anyone is standing over their shoulder, making them do something at a pace that they're not comfortable with. The young girl in the video discussed how in group projects she has felt rushed in the past. Another student spoke about how she normally skim reads when she feels rushed, but with this type of learning menu, which is set up like an actual menu at a restaurant, she doesn't feel rushed and she's able to get the main ideas. An idea that I would use from this video would specifically be brochures for travel, for a world history class, perhaps for the 9th grade, in which students would use a learning menu and then at the end, for dessert, create a travel brochure which persuades people from all over the world to visit certain places in the world during specific periods of time. And some of them would be very challenging, such as Poland in 1939, or Saigon in 1975, or England in 1776, where there would be a challenge in making this persuasion. But in doing so, it would be fun, entertaining, creative, and it would show the mastery of the subject. I thoroughly enjoyed this video. It's one of the best that we have seen during this course. I learned a lot from it, and I hope to learn more about differentiated instruction so that I may be successful at it as a teacher in the future. Thank you.